I've been going to Broughton St a couple of times a week for the last, well, since work started there, and I haven't seen a single worker there or vehicle or anything in a couple of weeks. And I thought, well, absolutely nothing's happening. Have they gone broke? What's going on? But today, either I haven't been noticing anything for quite some time, or this work has just happened. So you can see there's some grippy stuff has been put down there, and then there's these things have been concreted into the ground. They're obviously the supports for the raised ramps that are going to go over the tree roots along here. Never seen them before. Maybe they've just gone in. But anyway, there seems to be some progress. They might just be waiting for the concrete to set. That's it.